Good morning again. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Already got deliveries this morning. The food is ready. Coffee is brewed. Ish. Yeah. Good. Are you ready? Yeah, sure. Maybe we should have Techno Mondays. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm just trying to be not competitive. I'm trying to have this stream a bit early in the day, so that it doesn't crash too much with the one later on today on A1. But still, fair enough. All right. Today we're gonna go through dollar, yen, gold. What's happened since yesterday? I feel like there were some developments we need to go through. I want to also backtest a bit, or how I would backtest a bit. I'll also go through what kind of news are we looking forward this week to, and overall building up, shoving up a London session. See if there's any trades to take. Alright, that's the techno this morning. As always, what do you call it? Where are you? There you go. Yes, sir. So, as always, good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. How are you? If you want to send charts to me, please go into Discord and you go to the send chart for stream section. I think it's called nowadays. Send charge for stream. In this section here, this is where you go and put up your charts so I can comment on them on stream. That would be likely. That would be lovely. The other one you can also do is give me the link down below, not the full link, just the last part here, and I will be able to figure it out in the end, right? Going to go through some emails on my email list. And what else? If you are a fantastic trader and you have a fantastic trade record and you just need to get more money, what about today's sponsor?
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
And if you want to help yourself and me and everyone else, use the link below and so you know. And the other thing is, people, I'm now going to start promoting things here, okay? So there is Pivots Pro, right? There's Pivots Pro. There is the seasonal dashboard. That all are paid services by Joe. Okay. I do not until now have gotten any kickbacks for it. But you guys don't tell him that you're coming from me. Where else do you know? Where else do you hear about this dashboard? Is it from thin air? So please, you get a discount when you tell my name. As far as I know. If not, I will give it a discount then. You're supposed to tell my name, you know? I'm supposed to be the cool guy. You're like, yeah, we associate with Eivin, yo. We're the cool guys, you know? So if you've ever bought Pivots Pro and you didn't tell it came from me, or you first saw it on my stream, I'm gonna beat your ass, okay? Catch me outside how I did. I know. We had to talk about it with Joe, and I'm like, really? people, like, there's very little people coming from my streams. So I'm like, okay, people, come on. Sheldon, okay, I can see you talking to Sheldon, so I'm not gonna talk on stream. What did Sheldon do? Okay, so he just said, oh, thank you, appreciate it. Cool. So whatever. So yeah, so you know, if you buy stuff through me or through my stream, you know, give it a comment, you know, because you can. Yeah, I was supposed to do that. Okay, cool. I was supposed to do that. Now, apparently, Joe, what have you done to me? Joe, where are you? Joe Boss, there are you. And then, whoops. Hello, can you do Euro Yen? I will do Euro Yen, yes. Can you please add a pivot point on your chart from the indicator section? I can do that, yeah, I can. And then, what do you want me to do? Sign up, okay. Discord, I guess. Fair enough. Is that no, that's not a good thing. Yeah, da, flott det. Do you guys ever use the suggested password on Chrome? Do you guys do that, or you guys, you know? Okay. Okay, I can't see whatever that is about. Okay. Probably the wrong email I signed up with. Okay, whatever. Sånn da. Flott. Because as far as I know, Mr. Joe is gonna, hopefully it's gonna come by at some point, but you know, that he's gonna launch something today, so I just need to be prepared for that. That if he pops by, then we have all clear. What else? What am I supposed to say? Please take a live trade with us. Hassan, I will try my absolute best. That is why I'm here. Nothing else. But you know, in the meantime, I do bubble around. Sorry. Alright. Sorry. So, Euro Yen took a dive in the last hour. Okie dokie. Is that a buy or is that a sell? So, Hassan, I always try to, and I'm more and more trying to do that on stream. But also the setups has to kind of come to me. I can't just sell them, or I could be like, you know, Hassan told me to sell, so I sold it. You know, there has to be a process behind it. So I will try to do the process, of course. And this week, what is it this week? You have to, if you want to win, I don't know, was it $100 or what? I think it was $100. If you want to win $100, you have to be subscribed to this channel. You know, just small there. Euro Yen made a new low. Okay, so what's that means? That means one out of two things. It's a 50-50 chance, so it's a you lose or you lose kind of thing. That's not the case, but 50-50, you can gain, you can win. Depends. We have gone down to a buy level. Yes, sir, it's a buy level. I agree to that. But it's a bit low below M2. That's a bit, yeah, okay. But the reason why I agree to be a buy level is because it's resistance, right? So, what do you need now? Reversal. Yeah, that's what you need. So we just have to wait for the, I don't know, 1 hour, 15-minute time frame, see if there's anything here. Right now, it's just a drop. Nothing else than a drop. So, and it can just continue dropping. So that I don't want to be in front of that train, mate. All right. Sajid asked me to do what? What did Sajid ask me to do? He asked me to go to add pivot points from the favorites. So I have favorites though. Or pivot or Wayne's pivots. That's also how I can find them. Wayne's pivots by Joe Boss. So the most important thing is just like it. I don't know. Get a like. 602 people have done it already. And remove from it and add to favorites, which is already done as well. You know, that's what you do. So I don't know what else you want me to do it. And then once I've added them to my chart, I go over here. I go to style. I go to OOP sell off, OOP buy off. I go to bearish bullish exit. Sorry. And I go down to this color here and go 35%. Now this color here, yeah, that's the one. So that's the color that nobody normally really talk about. You know, that's the one. Cool, add, and then bearish exit as well. Same shebang, smook, bang, bang, bang. That's how I do it. Fair enough, mate. This is daily, by the way. So Yuri and middle lower low. Middle low, sorry. So I just need to see it reverse back up again. Euro dollar has been requested for. We didn't quite get the entry. I think I put that entry there on my broker. Oops, that's the wrong one. Thank you very much. That's the wrong channel. But didn't get triggered. Yeah, didn't get triggered. So, you know, I guess it is what it is then. So, still trying to sell euro. I think it was yesterday. I think trying to sell euro. Couldn't get it, but you know. So, still targeting 107 flat. We almost went to 107 flat. So that's an interesting development. As in, if we hit target early on the week, we already done that on the day though. But if you hit early on the week, what does that mean, people? You guys know me more than anything else. If we hit this early on the week, what does that mean? Let's see. What does it mean? Let's see if anyone knows. What does it mean if we hit target early in the week? Continuation of trend. Stop trading. What's another one? What can another one be? High momentum. Or start selling. As a community. Alright, okay. If your USD is about to get into range, it will go to that high anyways. So okay, yeah. So boom to the upside. Yeah. Yepsy Pepsi. I set up this upside up to 105, 108, 550 though. That's all. Possible strong pullback, said Nathan. Reversal. Paul Hitchens says lower low at 105. Yeah, I can agree to that as well. High time frame. It's just currently, but yeah, it becomes very difficult to find entry to either direction. Let the markets play itself out. You guys are giving good answers. But what does the poll say? The poll says, what does it mean if we target early in the week? I asked 15 votes so far. We are continuation. I don't know. I can't even spell continuation. I don't know. Maybe I'm dyslexic or just not English speaker. I'm sorry. Stop trading, high momentum, or start selling. Nobody has said start selling yet, so that's at least interesting. So, dollar. What happened to dollar? Boom! Came down to the buy level yesterday. I said, you know, that is not a good level. But here we are. Joke's on me then. Correction. Yeah, I can't do a correction. Can I do a correction? Can I edit it? Nah, I can just end it. Sorry, mate. You know, My dyslexic that I've not been diagnosed for is shining through. That's what happens. So, Aussie dollar as well didn't come back up again. So, what do we do then? Okay, so there's a couple of things we can do in this situation, mates. Is first of all, is daily. Do we have any trades so far? So far we have hit daily target early. Does that mean anything? I'm going to answer that soon. Right now it's stop trading. That is currently the highest percentage. Okay, interesting. But you definitely want a pullback in New London session now. So if you can get it, a pullback up now, that would be great. I just wonder what happened. I think it's not nothing else than just market being a bit scared. Yeah. That's a new guy, apparently. Yeah. It's a grim start of the week of Europe, dragged lower by Friday's week. Also, America closed, latest COVID, new fresh lockdowns in Beijing. Ah, okay. Weaker sentiment that news Putin is now looking to land grab southern Ukraine, with perhaps the US creating a land bridge to Moldova, and doing so, cutting off Ukraine's access to the sea. Is that really why the market is falling today? Is that really the case? Do you think so? So, mostly people said, I'm going to end the poll here. It's 23 euros out of 45. I can agree to that. The correct answer is yes. Stop trading. Or take your profit more than anything else, which is basically stop trading. On this time frame, you should then expect the subsequent answer then is, but not the true answer, is reversal. Somebody said reversal, I think it was JT. So you can look for reversal, yes, but the primary number one is TP. Number two is reversal if you are against it. But if you are looking for reversal, you are definitely looking for counter trends. So you need to be careful. So is there any trades here this morning on Aussie dollar that you're like, I would love to take this level? Is there anything here that is like speaking to your mind? For me right now, unless we are just continuation traders on target, I would rather say 70 to 40 short term at least before selling. And if anyone tries to sell here, I'm gonna beat your ass. We're not allowed to sell here, so we can't do anything there. We can't even buy it. Alright, euro. Okay. Showing a bit of pullback, that's alright. The most clear resistance right now is up here. Can we get anything better than that? Do we want 100% retracement on this candle even? So what if we get like 618? So I'm not gonna sell it there though, but maybe it's 107.50 might be something for later, maybe tomorrow, maybe. Oops, that was wrong. And that's currently the sell point from tomorrow. I'm good. I'm too good. So, Nathan says, I think it could be because of the spread of COVID in China. That's why the market moves today. Okay. Shuran, you will get a medal today. Shuran did something that I really want people to do here. If you're telling me to look into a pair, please tell me if you have any positions open, what the direction you have, so it's easier for us as a community to go through it, and we also understand what you're talking about, right? I feel like you are patient enough here. You still will always give you top-notch prices. yeah. It's always gonna be like that, anyways, right? So for those who didn't understand my chart, I'm just gonna do that and then that. Okay. And then 618 was around 107.50. Our potential sell for tomorrow. So somewhere in this area here is kind of where looking to sell at the moment. But you know, just waiting for it. Just waiting for it. So I need a bit of a pullback. You know, I guess it goes. And then white, thank you, please help me. So Ayit says Aussie Swissy. Sean Williams says thoughts on pound Aussie. Ayit says Aussie Swissy earlier. Long on demo, current pullback. That's a good one, Ayit. I love that. I would. Just because you said that, I will go through that. Aussie Swissy, long. Huh? What do you mean, mate? What do you mean? No. What do you mean? Huh? What? Okay. Which price, mate? Which price? Which price? Which price? You can't just see my forehead, right? Okay, so you can see my face now, right? And you can see my hair. Woohoo! Ah, the hair on my head. Yeah, good. Good morning, Nuno. How are you, mate? 68.7. 68.57. Chat. I'm just gonna ask you guys. No hate though. Aussie Swissy. 06857 is so yeah. I'm just gonna do that poll before I give my answer. That's all. Hassan says he shorted your Aussie at 150.14. You can look at that as well. Yeah. My so most of you people said so far no. Okay, interesting. So I am wondering, mate, what is your reason to buy Aussie Swissy down there? Because what I see a brand new lower low. So this is no longer a pullback. So if you want to do pullback strategy, you need to look for this, okay? You know, that is pullbacks, right? That is buy, right? We can all understand that. How does it look like on the chart? Just the same thing, right? Buy, probably buy. But then what? What does my phone want to do now? Safaricom, a Pesa Foundation, inawalikia wanawake walio na matatizo ya kulizia haja ndogo na kubwa. Whatever that was about. So, for those who are Swahili speaker, what did I just say? So that's the end of your pullback, right? That's the end of the pullback. If you go on forward chart, it doesn't matter, bro. It's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. That, I will say that's a pullback, and then that's the end. I will say, oops, where are we? I would say that's the, where is it? Here. That's the end there. You have a new trend here. That's the end there. You have a new trend here. You are in the same position, and if you take away all my things here, so that is how you trade pullbacks, right? And then you exit there, exit there, exit there. There's no longer bullish pullbacks. Now you have a brand new lower low. That's why I don't like it. But it's up to you, bro. 67% of you said no. I agree with no. I'm not saying I'm not hating on you. I'm just saying I wouldn't take that trade. If you can get a profit, fantastic. If you now win and you gain and you make tons of profits, I'm sorry, but I do not like that entry, bro. Okay. Good morning, Oleg. The price is moving because of sellers or buyers advantage only, not because of that bullish just spreading for you in the fake. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you, Oleg. That, you know, it's moving because we are in a bearish market or because sellers have control. Absolutely. And so because there's many reasons for why the market moves, right? And 100% of the time. Okay, so let's see. Good morning, Otto. How are you, mate? So there's a couple of extra things I need to look out for right now. There's your Swissy from Nuno. He is okay. No, so, yeah, your Swissy. Target 102. Okay, I would even see one, but okay, 102. What? 102.16. 102.16. Give or take there. Okay, fair enough. That's just S1 for the week, though. So, if you're really going to go bearish, I would really want to target 108, 108, 101.50. But okay. Back to that level. Okay, fair enough. Can live with that. But I think you are cutting it a bit short at the moment. And then Euro Aussie. What do you call him? Miro. Is it technically enough for you? Yeah. Another trade. Who was it? It was Hassan. I don't like you. I don't like you sell, bro. It doesn't mean you won't get profits. I don't want you to do that forever because it isn't bearish on any time frame. 50-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. All of them are bullish. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot to mute the mic. So you definitely need to break below that one before I want to start selling it. More than anything else. So you know, it's kind of like that, yeah. So you'd tell me to slide my face towards the watch list section. Okay, that's a thing. Where should my beautiful face be? Left side, current maybe, and then right side, watch list. Can we sell 50-minute time? Can we sell 50-minute? I don't like the setups. So what setup do I want to see before we all jump the guns, right? Okay. I want to see this, right? So first of all, we have a top here. We have a lower high, and then that's just sell, right? If you look at the EMAs, that is when they break lower over the 200. So that's 55, 21. And if you go over right now to current to current, you only high. That's what you only have. So that's why I want to sell here before I sell. That's all. It's the same thing all the time. And euro can't. That's a better one actually. That's a better one. So now you have two options here, mate. You have either coming up to this resistance, which you almost got earlier. That's heavy techno in the background. Yeah, that's a bit too much. I need to reduce that one a bit more. Thank you. So, you know, that's the thing. It can also just continue lower from here. But what is the most profitable run? The profitable needs to wait for tomorrow. In what area? What I just mentioned. So if we come up to, you know, you can put your limit order now on at 136, 137 area and 137.14. Like in this area now if you want to. But I would wait for it to return back higher, see how the velocity is, and then take it lower. Action Cineplex says, take a trade live. Okay. It's very difficult at the moment. But I will try, okay? Can I just scan through the market to see if I can see a trade? Is that okay? So, 50% of you said, put it back out to the watch list area. Okay, cool. I'll put my face there. Now you can't see my watch list anymore. I didn't say how small I was gonna make myself. Aha! I can put myself down there and then do. Now we stream. See? This is where you sell. This is where you buy. It's not financial advice whatsoever. So, you know. Just to mess with you. I don't like you guys' answers, but okay. I will obey. There we are. Because I hate this thing, because it doesn't fit where I want it to go. Okay? Because there's some pixels in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, there. Fair enough. Fair enough. Then now you can't see this price anymore. So no. Everyone happy now? Say yes, sir, in the chat if you're happy with this one. Where's my mouse? I'm looking at this. I'm looking at OBS and I can't move my mouse. Now it went back up to night. I didn't end the poll. Now they're saying left, the other side again. Oh no, Sanda. That's what it says. It says 27. It says 50-50. Okay. Now, are you guys trolling me today? Yes, sir. You guys are just trolling me. Okay. I will just put in this in the middle then, because you guys are 50-50. Okay, you guys are 50-50. I can put myself here. Does that work? In the middle. Bottom right corner. This is says yes, sir. Otto says bottom right corner. Okay, that's where big prices are. Oh, but okay. That's left corner, right? Is that too low? What if I'm up here? Then you can't see which asset I'm on. Okay, so okay, we'll just do that then. Can we do up here then? Is that better? Like up here? Is that a better place? A better place. I'm just trying to make a better place for for you and for me and the entire human race, right? For everyone to be happy. I'm trying to make you guys happy. You guys are just trolling me. And for those who wondered, I think it was Thursday, you guys trolled me as well. You said I was looking like a Oompa Loompa, a midget, because we have measured our I think it's like 3.5 meters high walls here. It's humongously high, and I can't jump. You know, in Norway, 240 is normal. You know, as normal, right? So here is a bit higher than that. And then now you can't see the prices anymore. Okay, so that means I need to move that one out. Sonda. If there's any more complaints now, you can send it to complaints@bydal.no. You can send if you have more complaints now. If you complaints@bydal.no. There is your complaint section. That's your email to put all your Karen requests, and then we'll take it from there. Don't forget the shades. Oh, crap. Sonda. I have never looked at those stats at right down corner. Okay. I do that all the time though, but okay. I need to reduce my face actually. It's a bit too much. It's a bit much. Okay. If you just saw what I did right now, it's so difficult that it's like touching ice cubes. Sanda. Did I even end the poll? No. Right side. Okay, cool. There you guys are. Can you make it move around like constantly like a screensaver? Maybe I can find a widget for that, yeah? You live in a castle, man. Your ceiling is like 10 meters high. Can we... They will proceed into file 13? That's a joke that I don't get, Judge. Can you explain that to me? Trump Cruise Trading, pound Aussie. Okay, so I was supposed to go through the markets to see if I can find a trade. Somebody wanted me to live trade. Okay. Aussie dollar, not good one for me. Euro dollar, yeah. Is that a good trade, Evan? This is a low. Euro is probably the only one right now that is looking tempting. Oh, okay, it's a trash can. Okay. They will proceed into file 13. Yeah, they will proceed into file 13. Now, Josh, the thing is, the email address doesn't exist. So if you try to do it, you know. Can somebody send an email to complaints@bydal.no to see if I receive it? I know where it will come though. But yeah. Another reason for why you should subscribe to this channel is because I give away all my AdSense this week and next week, or the next week after that. I received my AdSense 21st, I think it was. So it was a lot of money. A lot of money, by the way. So I'm giving it back to community. So, you know, jokes on us, right? Pound yen, not really. Use the CAD, yeah, maybe. Aussie yen, not really. CAD yen, not really. Euro yen, nah. Oil? Come on, oil. Okay, nope. I just also pooped. Gold as well, just pooped. Nothing. Everything is just at the bottom. Is there anything else I can trade? S&P then. I guess if I sell S&P, it's gonna go back up again. Yeah, that bullish theory on S&P, Harold, didn't go as I expected. Yeah, yeah, you know, I know, but when the market just poops itself and nothing is really going, not according to plan per se, but nothing is coming to pullback. Nothing is pullbacking. Then what am I gonna do? You know, pound New Zealand. Yeah, nah. I see these happening here. I see the new high. I also see the target being hit there. And yeah, I'll wait for this one to happen though. Maybe I'm the most patient trader in the world, but sorry about that, bro. Should we buy S&P the next low? I wanted to go a bit lower before we buy on S&P. Nasdaq is also needing a bit more of a drop to 1300 at least. If you go and look at the dark index, it's they are not really buying S&P at the moment. Yeah, they just made a lower dip. And if you go to fear and greed index, which changes every day anyways, it isn't really in greed. I can probably, you know, churn in, but right now it's just fear. So I just want to wait. Well, I'm not gonna be like, I'm not gonna take the bottom fish, am I? But I'm gonna be second bottom fish. But yeah, if you look at the VIXI, I think VIXI is higher today. Yeah, that's something I probably could have traded, but more than anything else. What's dark index, Miro? Miro, the dark index is explained quickly, is the stock market. It's as big as the stock market, is bigger than the public stock market. It's a black market, private black market, where institutions buys stocks, but they are not listed. It's not publicly known who owns them, because it's sensitive, such as the Norwegian oil fund, the pension fund of Norway, sovereign fund of 100,000 billion kroner, I think is worth. Let's go and check. They buy a lot here. The reason for that is whenever they do something, everyone else follows them. So yeah, it's 11,000 billion at the moment. So that's the market value that the algorithm think it's worth today. Yeah, then it has a good turn to the lower side, Sheldon. So was that a good one? So you can go through how it went through on COVID, Mr. Miro. And when it went through COVID, when you can see, where's COVID here? COVID is 20 March, August, July, June. Okay, so there we are. So where are we? 2018. That is COVID in green there. That is COVID. Boom. And what happened in COVID, the market shut up, and that is buying pressure. So this market went up to 46, 40. Sorry, can I get a peek there? I can't get a peek. Up to 40, 50% of the market was buying at this bottom here. And then it's reducing. It started buying more here, but now it's reducing again. So I'm just wait. The thing is, for every time, if you look into it, every time we go a bit lower, like here, it goes lower and then boom, goes back up again. Every time we dip a bit, the buys kicks in. The only one it didn't do it on was when it fell here and it broke through that structure. That was the war in Ukraine. That's when they didn't buy it anymore. But they bought it a bit later, right? So right now, I'm just waiting for them to bottom fish again. That's what I'm expecting. Raman says, do you have any ideas on the euro dollar? I've already gone through that earlier today. I have said 107.50. So yeah. Where is it? Is that the one? Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So 107. 107.50. I'm not gonna sell that on 0.10 because I think it's too much risk to do 0.10 on this account. But yeah, so just put a limit order now on 0.755. As you can see there, took a euro, took a 0.01 just to see how things goes. And then I would like to put my stop loss at 108.20, which is this high here, above this high here. Take profit is what? Take profit is 107. 107, give or take. So that's a scalp on my side. Pressured by the community to do it, but yeah. Fair enough, mate. The only problem that I have in this situation is, are we going? Well, it's a day trade, by the way, more than anything else. And I have reduced my risk because I understand it's a risky trade. I'm not gonna go. I'm 10% of normal lot size here, so you know, yeah. So active orders or limit order that I just did. I don't know why you're asking, Hassan, but yeah, because I just explained it. That is my sell at the moment. There. 1 week, 1 day. The reason for that is tomorrow's central pivot. So far, at least. China 50 can be a good long for midterms, which stop loss is 12,000. Are we able to do China 2,000? 200 to 50, sorry. Are we able to do China 50? Okay. Yeah, now I know. The thing is, the problem with China, which I think everyone knows about Alibaba, where they just came in and said, Jack Ma, you are no longer the president here. Go away. That's a governancing problem that I have. I also do care about governance of a company before I invest, or the sector or the country. So I don't invest into companies that all of a sudden can be overtaken by the government. And if you look into Alibaba as an example, since I mentioned it, Alibaba has gone from what is it? 317 to 86. That's a 72% fall. That is too much risk for me. And as far as I know, Alibaba is one of the biggest companies in China. Is it true? Alibaba, biggest company in the world, in China. E-commerce. Okay. Okay, so it's been because yeah, so that's kind of why. But the other thing is it technically bullish? No, it's not technically bullish. And also, if you have lockdowns in China, I wouldn't. That's all. Oh, Miro. Miro comes in from the side and kicks me in the side and says, Ivan, did you know that also TikTok is funded by China? I love TikTok, but I know I'm getting surveilled. I know they're like looking at me like, oh, Ivan, I see you. I see you. Yeah. 1 hour. No, the thing is here, Mr. Ayid, is why I'm on 15-minute time frame. Well, the reason I'm on 15-minute time frame is because there is no pullback on the 4 hour. So it's a scalp. 4 hour is a swing trade. So it's kind of just, you know, leading up to the 4 hour trade. I'm hungry. Do you guys want some music? Unavailable. What do you mean by unavailable? Yeah. I would love to eat, but I don't want to try test it in case it's copyright. Any from Kenya today? I know Josh is America. I know that. Hi, Ben. Oz is currently sitting on 7150. Do you think anything is going to go down to 7.70? Okay, music, right? That's okay. That's okay. Where is it? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Ah, there we go. Sonya, finally. On. Crypto miner, welcome back, mate. Hope you're having a fantastic day. So earlier I sold euro at 105.50. We came up a bit to that price, but we can look at Aussie. Who is that Aussie? It was somebody. It was Miguara. Says 4 hour. Says what? Tumelo, South Africa. So that was South Africans today. Good. Syndica 71.50. Okay. Do you think it could go down to 70? Yeah, I think so. Whoops, that was wrong. Weekly target is 71. Monthly target is what? Okay, I remember 71. Sorry, 71. We are close to target, so I don't want to skip it. I don't want to test my luck. So nobody sent me an email on complaints@beetle.denim. Okay, good. Then none of you is complaining. Yeah, so right now I would say 71, and if it continues lower, whatever, but don't expect more than that. That's a fantastic comment. Somebody comment on my YouTube video. I'm just gonna show you guys to you because it's fun. Do you think that's does anyone know Spanish? So can anyone, like, I don't know. Does anyone know Spanish enough to know what that comment's about? Or do we need to do like what do you call it? We need to do like what do you call it? We need to do like translation. Yeah, there we are. There it is. That's from yesterday. Okay. Fair enough. What else did I not? I was supposed to do content. I can do content, and I can do the view on YouTube. There we go. And then we can go if you, like I said in the video. Where's my comment? My comment disappeared? Okay, thank you. Pen it. So I'm just gonna go back to chat. What does chat says? Hola. Type it into Google. Yeah. I don't know. I have no clue what it means. So I'm like, maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. I don't know. I know I'm not going to delete it anyways. I just need to. I would just like to know what they say. one of the best concerts. They're one of the best concert. He who can just go, but just seeing from screen 6. Oh, yeah, okay. No. We can't have that on my channel. What is it, people? What is it? What should we report it as? Buenos dias. What should we put it at? That it promotes terrorism, it is harassment, it is suicidal, misinformation, unwanted content, child abuse, hate speech, graphic violence. What should we name it as? The only question is, you guys can hear me, right? Yeah, you can hear me. Because you're not responding. What was it? It's the yeah. I'm just gonna spam them. Fair enough, mate. Sunder. Yeah. So I like my own comment. So like I said in the video, that is what you have to do. And give my own stream a like. I love that. I like my own streams. I think it's a good content. Is there anyone else making anything in the time? No. Yeah. And it trades up. Currently, I sold euro at 1.50. So where are you? There you are. So for those who's wondering how it looks like on my screen, that's how it looks like on my screen. All right, you go. So it's just almost there. But yeah, that's a limit order, by the way. So that's what I'm waiting for. And then I am waiting for more setups, if I can just find them, that's all. Macron is defeating Le Pen on the news today. Defeats Le Pen, but implementing his program will depend on legislative elections. Well, the good part is that Le Pen didn't win is because she doesn't want NATO. Or she doesn't like NATO, and then that would probably jeopardize the implementation of Sweden and Finland into that. And I think Sweden and Finland right now is shaking in their pants as to what Russia is doing in Ukraine. So that's that. And the other thing they also want us to go through right now is to scan through this thing here. Unstable risk sentiment and China battles COVID are the downside risk for commodity currencies, which is currently happening. At the same time, the PBOC tolerance to a sharp China depreciation may signal a regime shift towards welcoming a weaker currency again. A relatively quite weak data that I disagree with. 4th of May. Fed meeting, could see dollar remain supported. So, people, this thing is that what? COVID lockdowns in China, yes, going down on Aussie, going down on New Zealand. We have seen that today. And a relatively quite weak, I disagree. We have CPI, we have GDP. Importante, much importante informazione, you know, and more than anything else, you know, we have been strong dollar of all over April so far. We're coming to an end of it, but you know, this week started firmly negative tone in global markets, which continue discounting a combination of many central banks are accelerating their tightening plans, especially America, and which is the biggest one, fastest one, the most expansive one. Russia and Ukraine is moving further away from diplomatic solutions, and COVID crisis in China is forcing a re-rating of growth expectations in the region. The other thing is, people, Australia might increase their interest rates soon. So even though Aussie is falling like a ton of bricks now, that doesn't need to be the truth in a couple of whatever hour, within the 1 week. Full screen, please. Sorry, mate. Is that good enough for you? Oh yeah, and then my face is in the way. Sorry. No, my face is not in the way. There we go. Sound up. Full screen now. Is that okay? It says it's one of the best concerts. He or she couldn't assist to the concert. Yeah. So that's one. S&P 500 I don't have any interest in right now because it is not going higher. But it's falling. So S&P is probably going to go lower. That's kind of what I read out of that. And then everything else, just explain it, everything else. No real impact from macro win. Okay. ECB and Fed. Divergence argue against any sustainable rebound in the euro, in our view. This is despite ECB officials having sounded more hawkish after the 5th of April meeting, simply because money markets are already pricing in 3 25 basis point rate hikes by the end of the year. I think it was 2, okay? Which is keeping the bar quite high for any hawkish surprises. Okay. Now we know that. Pound is really being sold off. And the reason for that is weaker than expected retail sales on, I think it was, when was it? Thursday? Friday? Last week, which was way worse than expected. But also I think also inflation is going to reflect that people are seeing in the retails. So maybe that will have a rebound later on. However, this isn't followed by any significant repricing by the Bank of England, tightening expectations as market to fully pricing in 6 25 basis point hikes by the end of the year. So, what is this about? This is about expectations versus what? Reality. That's what happens right now. That is currently what's happening. Expectations versus reality. And there's always a constant battle between those. And if you sit here and say, you know, what are we going to do now? Now, that's not a plan, is it? Is it a plan to just say, well, what is going to happen now? My plan yesterday for today was to what? Sell dollar. Your dollar, sorry. Not sell dollar. Buy dollar. And that hasn't changed, right? So, as we sit here today, what are we waiting for? The markets to perform. More than anything else. More than anything else. Who was it? PO Venture. Tell me about S&P 500. What do you want to discuss? I've been buying this one for quite some time. Oh, look at my muscles. Ooh, that was so. Look at that. It almost. What do you call it? It almost makes the shirt like. What do you call it? Break. Yeah, I've always been a small, simple dude with few muscles, small muscles, weak and small. That's what I was called when I was little. I was the second shortest guy in class, and whoever wants to punch me, I punch back, and I tried my best to punch back. Do you know what they did? They laughed. You know, it didn't even flinch. So. That's how strong I am. What are you buying, mate? Hello, hello? Okay. Joe. I want to see that result, bro. You bought a literal lower low. Okay. Fine. Fine by me. Miro says it's good sell around 108, 60, 50. I agree. It's just that's a swing trade, so I'm looking for day trading. Or tomorrow's day trade. But I have taken it down to 10% of my lot size. So if I lose, I don't flinch. Samuel, me and you can have a long discussion over this, okay? But I'm gonna say one thing. As long as I'm here on live on YouTube until I die, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna do a couple of tips. First of all, one currency, dollar. That is probably 5 or 6 pairs. Out of those 5 or 6 pairs, you're gonna get 1 or 2 pairs that would agree with you and gives you the correct setup. So 1 to 2, but you have to focus on all 7 of them, or all 5 of them, depending, so that you can find the correct setup. Okay? Now, if you're a beginner, price action, support and resistance, market structure, trends, trend following, reversal of trend reversals. I have some of those videos are on my YouTube channel. Support and resistance. Sorry. That's terrible. That's a terrible music. What's that about, bro? If you go to Eivindfx, you know, and you're like, what do we do here? Eivindfx, and then playlists. You go to which one? First of all, my strategy. That's one of them. The other one is new to Forex, is one playlist, and the other one is how to become a better trader. So, if you look for support, I hope we find it. I have enough support. There it is, support and resistance. If you search for a video on me on price action, there it is. But if you think this video is a bit old, you know, it's only 462 people have seen it. So I guess I need to redo that one and make it better and all those things. But the thing here is use YouTube for all the reasons, and give it a comment. Not because you need to comment, but was it worth it to you? Did you learn anything? Or was it a complete waste of your 23 minutes of your life? All right. Hello, Aga. Still driving. Just want to listen to your stream. Cool. I hated that one, bro. I hated that one, bro. When do we go back to another? I'm gonna listen to it more then. Okay. It's a rave party. Is that nice even? So yeah, so the reason for why you should put a cape rave, yeah. The reason why you should be commenting is if I should take down the video more than anything else and then redo it. That's kind of why, right? But only 400 have seen it, so it's probably not the best video in the world, but you know, it goes. S&P, I'm still waiting for a reversal, but I'm still more than anything else waiting for it to go down to 41.50. Right now it's just hanging out in the middle of the air. And then, yeah. Maybe one day we'll do a proper reversal and then go higher. Ah, okay. Thank you. Another techno music? That you bought down there, that really shocked me though, bro. But okay. Good jokes. On PO Venture. Good jokes. Yeah. So, and I also new me email. Okay. Fair enough, mate. What else was in that thing? Yeah. And the other one I want to go through is which one? Not Jenske. Daily. That's the wrong one. Is it the correct one? RBA. So Westpac is talking about the RBA is that they are likely to move towards 40 basis points rate. That's not for you go by 25, but right now it's likely to be a 40 basis point in June, meaning the market has priced in some in May and some in June. So total around 40 basis points by June. That, my friend, can send the Aussie higher. But the question is it stronger than dollar? Right? Following the news on December quarter inflation, RBI responded with a 25 basis point rate hike in both February and March 28, 2008, bringing the rate to 7.25, significantly above neutral. And Westpac has lifted their forecast for inflation from 0.9 to 1.2. At 1.2 annual rate, that will be 3.4. This represents an increase in annual from 2.6 in December quarter from 2.1. An increase in annual rate of 0.8 points over the 1 quarter and 1.3 over 2 quarters is matched by only 2008 in recent times. So that is a very fast growing market more than anything else. That's what happens, right? Has Euro been activated yet? It's about to. I think for May dollar will still be bullish since the Ukraine situation is not de-escalating by any rate. So there's two things to be worried about, right? There's two things to be worried about. Right now, people, we are priced in a lot of rate hikes. A lot of rate hikes, a lot of inflation. Okay? We have gone there on dollar. When is the peak? And statistically, or research shows, between the second and the third Fed rate hike, I'm just gonna go 2 to 3 rate hike. Okay, you can read that, right? That is my E. Between the second and the third rate hike is the peak. Now, we have done one rate hike already. We are going to go 2 in May, and the market has priced in 2 in June. The market has priced in, I think it's 11 by end of year. EOG, that's my word. End of year. Because right now we are priced in 275 by the end of the year, which is extremely quickly. It's never been done before, as far as I know. Market has priced in, holy guacamole, 275. Yeah. And if you do 275, where is it? Where's my, there it is. 25 divided by 275. That comes out at 275 divided by 25 then. It's 11, yeah. 11 rate hikes. It's 11 rate hikes. So, yeah. Do you think Euro still be bullish for May? I have my doubts. But I still need to make my decision soon anyways about it. Yeah. So selective now. Sånn da. What happened? All right. So I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna go through the month of January, February, March, April as a seller. Let's see what the monthly 4-hour. I do that to boost my morale sometimes. Not for the jokes of it, but for the seriousness of it. To see what can I learn from it. So to May, that's a clear sell there. New lower low, sell there. Great, fantastic, great. And no, doesn't go well anyways. So there's a profit there. How does that look like, right? So first of all, people, that is the reversal there up to M3. You can either do that or that. So that is another sell that I would like to not learn, but I would like to take that. And prices below, so both of them are break even in my rules because, and I know this is gonna go bad anyway, so yeah. Price stops and goes back up to break even there. Goes a bit back down again. Goes back up to break even there too. Okay, cool. Now the question becomes, how do you find a bearish trend again? Okay. So you sell there then, mate. Yeah, there we are. Good. Goes down to profit. Let me see if we can just find April again. So coming up to this month, I would sell here, and that is 2 break even and 1 sell to profit. I would wait for, okay, that's also went to stop loss. Ouch, that hurts. 1 hour, wait for a bearish trend again. Need a break of that low there. There we go. Does it ever do that again? No, it didn't. There we go. Okay, good. Go down, mate. Okay. Goes in a terrible range here. Finally, it breaks lower. Thank you, Lord. Up to resistance here and here. Just following how it would have been. Okay, it didn't do that. Okay. Whatever. Okay, it just falls off. Coming into April again. I decided dollar bullish for April. Just waiting for a dollar to come into April. Stop it there. Then that becomes sell. Sell there and sell there. Stop loss up there. Let's sell, goes into profits. And where are we now? Probably goes up to that sell again, as far as I know. Incoming. Okay, good. Hasn't hit target yet, though. There we go. It's going down, going down. How will we target for the week? For the month? Oh ho, oh hey, oh no, oh no, 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 no. I'm not selling that one anymore. Shh. I'm not selling that one anymore. Why didn't I see that? Oh, give up on that, bro. I'm not day trading that. All right then. That means if we target for the week here. But yeah. Nothing else than that, bro. Nothing else than that. That means that, okay. That means we should take off all my other sells on Euro. Okay. Fair enough, mate. I'm just looking at Ducky Master in Discord. Ducky posted this chart earlier, and I do know how I did that. So that's what I want to promote. Good. Good on you, mate. Comes back down again. Waiting for the reversal. Coming back down again to support. Good, 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 good. What did price do? Price went up there. Came back down again. That's a buy. That's a buy. And boom. Bit of a range there, mate. But good on you, mate. Good on you. Well, give it a thumbs up. And I will give it a heart, maybe. I lost my voice. Nei, I lost my voice. Flott det. What happened to my voice, bro? Sheesh. Okay, weekly TP monthly TP, sorry. That means monthly TP on Euro, USD, New Zealand USD, Pound USD. And USD CAD. So you can get on 2. That's monthly unbiased. Okay, just our 3, okay. Fair enough. Yeah. What do we then do then, mate? Okay, so I can't trade that anymore then. Sellers. Monthly sell TP on Euro. That means no more sells on these pairs for April. All right, good on that, mate. Good on that. Yeah, I just closed it. How to check about interest rates on CME Group? It's only for dollar though, only for FOMC. Shoot on. Yeah, but like the thing is, Miro, tell me, I'm a human being, mate. I'm also trying to make my brain, you know, do stuff, you know, and when I'm on stream, my brain doesn't think straight, so it's pretty bad time to start trading because I don't do enough critical thinking. But yeah, I should have done that. But yeah, I did close it. Close the other ones as well. So, you know. So no more sales then. All right. Now that's a fun month, isn't it? What was how can do a review on Euro? I said in beginning of April. That's a sell. Take profit. Emojis. The problem with this emoji thing on YouTube is that it scrolls very fast and it doesn't really update that much. I want to find clapping hands. Can somebody tell me where clapping hands are? Clapping. There you go. Clean. Clean. I don't know else what to do, bro. Do you do a video on how to trade Euro USD? Clean month. All right. Somebody tagged me on Discord. Somebody tagged me on Discord. Sorry. Charlie. Oh. Jesus. Help me. Okay. Sorry, Charlie. I will respond now. Though I am on stream. You know. So you guys can enjoy yourself with some music and I will respond to messages I apparently don't respond to. I'm ashamed. Shame, David. Shame you. Shame on you.
see what you can do.
So I've been talking to myself while I guess you can see my mouth moving. I've just been talking to myself. So I just made a small error of not responding to messages. I apologize for that. That is my bad. I should be ashamed of myself. Son, what else is there to do, mates? Euro went back up to 105.50, tagged it perfectly. That's a perfect tag, but I'm not selling it anymore because we've hit target for the month. Not that that's gonna happen right now, but it just means in my rules of engagement, I know more than anything else how monthly targets is. I can show you what I mean when we say hit monthly targets. That is there, okay, fair enough. That one kind of stopped after hitting target. It stopped after hitting target. It continued lower. It stopped after hitting target. It stopped after hitting target. It stopped after hitting target. Continued a bit lower afterwards. Stopped hitting target. Stopped after hitting target. And I don't want to be in that situation where we take profit and we go back up again. Oh, no. I'm not having that on my account, bro. So, most of the times, except for a couple of instances, like this one, where we just continue lower, which was, yeah, I'm not gonna mess around. I'm not gonna mess around. So, I just got out because it's basically unnecessary to sell into support and monthly target. And where buyers sells should take profit, and why am I selling above that one? You know, it's kind of, I don't know. Boring to lose money in such a manner. It's not boring, it's just stupid. Well, so what happened to my chair? Did I just fall down? Oh yeah, back up again. So what's the deal this morning? The deal this morning is we hit target a bit early. That means out Aussie. Looking for it to go back up a bit higher, but that's maybe the only one to sell now. I would have wanted to sell here though, didn't happen. I would have wanted to sell here, didn't happen. Can't blame the markets. Euro dollar, target early of the day, target almost of the week, target on the month. So that's get out of there. I tried to sell here, but of course it just tagged it a bit. Went down 10 pips in profits if you took that one, but I didn't. So not celebrating that at all. Pound is also hit target on the month. That means you can just do whatever it wants from now on. I need to wait until next week now. New Zealand dollar, another one that came back up again. tag the 21 in the 1 hour time frame. I would probably want that. So I want to watch New York today. What is New York gonna do? I think New York is gonna push the market lower, more dollar strength, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna be a part of it. The reason why I'm not gonna be a part of it is because it's not within my normality, and I only trade within normality and not in abnormal markets. Hello, Yafet. Gold is another one that has just fallen this morning. I think it's going to be a volatility coming into New York, or in New York session, sorry. Meaning that whatever happens right now, we are too low. Target is 1900, so we are very close to 1900. It can just do that and then that. That means for this week, we have not failed trade plan per se, but it's been a trade plan that didn't go to, that market didn't agree with. Fair enough, bro. So right now it's at target for the day, meaning we can have pretty big spikes back up again. That's kind of normal. But yeah, but more than anything else, 1940, 1937 probably. 1943 is prices to look forward to go down to 1900. So it's one more scalp left. It's a scalp left. That's the only thing. So, chill. We can meet again on A1 trading later on today. That's in around, it's 10 a.m. New York. I think that's in 5 hours. If you're on my Discord, which is free for everyone here, as everyone can see here, free. You'll be updated when I go live next time. It's not on my channel. And by the way, if you want to be a part of the $100 giveaway this week, it's gonna come. I just need to figure it out. One of you guys. So why? Because I got paid by Google on Monday, 4 days ago. I got paid 4 days ago. That's probably Thursday or Friday last week, and I'm giving away my AdSense. So if that only gives away the AdSense for this month, cool. Then good enough for me. Giving back to community that gives to me again. You know, I think that brings, it's another way for me to, well, I don't make videos on it even. Maybe I should, but it's another way for me to still keep streaming. So I really want you guys to be a part of the $100 giveaway. You know, I guess nobody cares about $100. Is too little for someone, but I hope it's a lot to someone else that would appreciate it. That would help. But of course, the more people that donate to this channel, that is members, that watches the stream, watches the ads, the more you give back to someone or one that may need it more than anything else. You know, if I went around and gave around 10,000 shillings to a stranger in Nairobi, they'll be over the moon. You know, so. Which is $100. So, you know, the only problem I can't film it because it's a lot of laws of filming here. So I don't want to be put into what do you call it, police cell at night for that. Just for this trying to be nice. Mira says he can pay for 1 month A1. Okay, I don't have access to A1 though. But yeah, maybe that's another way of doing it. Giving away. But also I can give away daily setups monthly as well. Somebody, when is it? Tomorrow, today? Tuesday. Okay, cool. I can do that. All right, mates. I'm only trying to make it a better place to be on YouTube. If that is giving away, then I will do giveaways. Maybe I'll make a video about it in the end. It gives me joy because it gives you joy, and then we all are happy together. All right. Have a good one today, people. See you on A1 a couple of hours later. I tried to sell euro, didn't work out. Fair enough. Cool. Boom. See you later. Action says, do daily live on YouTube. I am daily live on YouTube. I'm just there in New York, not on London. Action, you're a bit late. Sorry, but I'm live every day. Bye.